All right, today is a self-care, self-maintenance type of day. I just got out of the shower, so looking like a wet rat currently. So yeah, today is basically just gonna be like a little self-care day, self-maintenance, whatever. I also got like these little lash thingies that I want to try out, so hoping for the best. And now on to the hair care. I read this thing somewhere to like keep your scent longer is if you like get like your leave-in conditioner and then like you spray whatever scent that you want in it, that it will last all day, the smell. So that's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, so to put it in like the leave-in conditioner or like whatever you use like after you take a shower in your hair, and if you like spray whatever scent that you want, it's supposed to like last longer. So I'm gonna test that out today and see what happens. I haven't even ate today yet. I just been really bad about it. It is 2:30. I'm probably gonna make some like little resin things later. I'm trying to get people's requests on what colors they want. But yeah, this is the scent for today. So good. This one is my main scent that I usually go for, but switching it up today. Yeah, I already did my skincare, so I'm just gonna move on to doing my hair. I'm gonna use this round brush attachment today. Okay, I'm gonna go pick an outfit because I am tired of being in this robe. But whatever will I wear? Alright, so this is the outfit. A little athleisure wear. Might go for a walk in the park today. And I'm gonna finish up my hair because you know I gotta put my extensions in. Little clippies. So I just put like 3 wefts in, but that's like the perfect amount. I feel like my natural hair is to a point where it's like long. So I'm not necessarily wearing these for like the length of it. It's more so like to add volume and also just like a nice little color change. Like just having little like blonde highlights. I also have some with like red and blue. So if I ever want like blue hair or red hair, I can just like change it out. Kind of helps me from dyeing my actual hair because I have issues with that. Anytime I'm going through it, I feel like dyeing my hair, so this just kind of prevents me from doing so. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the extensions in, and my natural hair just kind of blends into it, so yeah. I'm probably gonna put on some like accessories and then like do my makeup. I want to try out these little like lash things. They're like little clusters that are supposed to like stay on for like a few days. So I wanted to try these out. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but hoping for the best. Like one makeup thing if I had to do would definitely be like lashes. Like that is like a must for me. So now for some accessories, I'm thinking about these little silver hoop earrings. My mom bought me these. And I thought my little rose quartz necklace would go perfect with it. I feel like I need to get a new one because this one is definitely losing its color, but still really cute. I feel like I go back and forth between like silver and gold, but I kind of just like both of them. It always takes me a minute to put my earrings in because I got them pierced when I was like 7, and then like the holes grew over, and then I got them re-pierced again when I was like a teenager, and yeah, it's like not aligned good because my brother tried piercing them and it's just all messed up. It takes me a minute to like find the right direction. All right, so got the earrings and my necklace, and yeah. So yeah, I am feeling super cute today. All that's left is to do my makeup. So I'm gonna try those lash things out and then kind of go from there. And then of course just gonna like finish off with the perfume I used earlier. And this is the YSL Black Opium. Super amazing. Probably want to do like my nails later because I usually have like my natural nails, which are fine, they're pretty still, but I kind of want to like do something different. Maybe do my nails later or another day, not too sure yet. Just depends how I feel. All right, so this lash thing does not have instructions. Nice and confusing, just how I like it. No, but let's see. I'm like, should I watch a video? Because like I have no idea what to do. I need to watch a video. BRB. All right, found the instructions. Gonna be a lot. Should I curl my lashes first? It says you have to like put it under your lash. I'm just gonna curl them beforehand. These are going on pretty easily. I don't know if it's just because I'm used to putting on lashes or what, but I never put them underneath my eyelashes. That's what I was like kind of worried about, but it's actually not that difficult. That's like with 2 of them on right now. All right, both eyes are done now. This is how they turned out. It was my first time, so like don't judge too hard. But yeah, I feel like I know what to do next time to make it look a little bit better, but I mean they look decent, so I am not complaining for this being my first time. All right, let's see if I even remember how to do this. It has been a minute. All right, it's the next day and finished my nails. I think they turned out pretty good. Yeah, I have not used the poly gel in so long, so I was worried I wouldn't really remember how to do it, but they turned out pretty decent. Also, the little eyelash extensions I did, they are still on, so all is well. But today I wanted to focus more on like health and fitness, so I'm gonna do a little walkie today. And look at my new shoes that I got. So freaking cute. So cute. Got these for Christmas. Love them. Gonna go take a walk. And then I think later today I'm gonna make like some healthy food, just because I really want to focus on health and fitness, not just today but like every day. So I'm trying to start like little habits of it. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed and then walk on the treadmill inside because it's actually snowing today, which is insane. But yeah, like new year, just trying to get all my shit together, and I'm like really focusing on health, fitness, mental health, and also just like self-maintenance stuff, like taking care of myself appearance wise, physically, mentally, just everything. Because honestly, like when you look good, you feel good. Oh yeah, let me show you all the snow because it's insane. So this is our snow. And I already know what you're thinking, like, wow, that was insane. The northern states could never. You see all my hobby stuff? Look at all that. What the hell? I need to make that look nice. That's a whole nother video.